Hello, you are welcome to this class. My name is Dr. Kingsley. Welcome to Best Brain. In my class today, I'll be taking us on alkanols. It's an organic compound, the alkanols. Okay? The alkanols are organic compounds with the molecular formula ROH. Okay? That is the molecular formula. This is the alkyl group. Okay? Alkyl group. The alkyl group of the alkanols determines their physical properties. While the OH here, what we call it is the hydroxyl group. This hydroxyl group is their functional group. Functional, okay, group. Remember, alkyl group determines physical properties of the alkanols, while the hydroxyl group, the functional group, determines their chemical properties. Remember, the alkyl group R is given by the general formula CnH2n plus 1, okay, for the alkyl group. That means if we replace it here, we'll be having CnH2n plus 1. Then you have your what? The OH. That is their general molecular formula. Now this one here, plus 1 here, simply means plus 1 hydrogen. CnH2n plus 1 hydrogen. Now here we have hydrogen. If we bring this 1 hydrogen here to meet this other 1 hydrogen here, it will become 2 hydrogens here. So that this can become CnH2n plus 2, then O. What happened to this hydrogen? It came to meet this 1 hydrogen here to make it 2, then leaving O. So this is also the general molecular formula of alkanols. Okay, now let us look at very important physical properties of alkanols. We are looking at what? The physical properties, okay, of alkanols. Number 1, we need to understand that C1 to C11, carbon atom 1 to carbon atom 11, okay, are all liquids, colorless liquids. They are all colorless, okay, liquids. That is from methanol, okay, to C11, okay, that is ondecanol. Okay, they are colorless what? Liquids at room temperature, okay, temperature. Number 2, okay, number 2, we know that C1 to C3, okay, from carbon atom 1 to 3, that is methanol, ethanol, and propanol. 3 of them are volatile. They are volatile, mobile lipids. Okay, volatile mobile lipids. That is C1 to C3. Then number 3, greater than C12 or greater than C11. Greater than C11. We are 11. We are talking about from C12 and above. So C12 and above simply means greater than C11. They are waxy, okay, solids. They are waxy solids. That is any alkanol that is above C11 is a waxy solid. Then number 4 of this property is that C1 and C2, that is methanol and ethanol, okay, they have okay, characteristic. They have characteristic alcoholic odor. Characteristic alcoholic odor. Characteristic alcoholic odor. Okay. Then the next, which is number 5. Number 5, we talk about solubility. Solubility. Alkanols, they are generally soluble because they have a hydrogen bonding. So you can see that what? They are generally soluble. They are generally, okay, soluble due to hydrogen bonding. If you look, you see that their general formula is ROH. Okay, there is what? Hydrogen bonding in the hydroxy group, making them to be soluble. In fact, C1 to C4 are miscible. They are miscible with water. Very miscible with water. C1 to C4. Remember, C2 is ethanol. Ethanol is miscible with water in all proportion. Then number 6 is about boiling point. Number 6 is a boiling point. Okay, the boiling point of alkanols is higher than the boiling point of the alkanes and the ether. Okay, the reason for their boiling point being higher than those of alkanes and ether is also due to the hydrogen bonding. Okay, compounds with a hydrogen bonding normally have what? High boiling points. They have high boiling points due to hydrogen bonding. Remember also, the more the molecular mass, that is the more the number of carbon atom, the higher the boiling point. Then number 6 here today, okay, we'll talk about their density. Number 6, okay, 7. Number 7 is density. Density. They are denser, okay, or they are less dense. They are less dense than water. Generally, they are less dense than water. Okay. Then number 8 is viscosity. Alkanols are more viscous. They are more viscous, okay, than the alkanes, okay, and the ether. The reason for their high viscosity is due to hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding explains their viscosity. All right. Then number 9 is they are not conductors. So they are non-conductors. They are non-conductors of electricity. They don't conduct electricity. Although they ionize in water very slightly, but it's not enough, okay, for them to conduct electricity. So number 10 is that lower members, okay, bonds with clean blue flame. So that is their flame test. Lower members bonds with clean blue flame. So these are the important physical properties of what? Alkanols. Now remember, when you talk about their boiling points, you talk about hydrogen bonding. So the hydrogen bonding in alkanols explains their melting point, explains their boiling point, explains their solubility, okay, and also explains their viscosity. Don't forget that alkanols, their high melting point, boiling point, solubility, and what viscosity is as a result of the hydrogen bonding in the functional group. Do subscribe to my videos on my channel. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and like. Till we meet in the next class. Thank you.